Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on creating a group chat on Snapchat. So to create a group on Snapchat, what you'll need to do is first of all update your application and then log into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, it's going to direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, go to the chat icon or the chat page right at the bottom. Once you're on this page, it's going to direct you to the chat page. So here what you need to do is, in order to create a group, you can just tap on this blue icon located right in the corner or right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you can just go ahead and tap on new group or just tap on randomly. Now select the contact to whom you actually want to add it as a group member. For example, I'm just gonna pick a random contact. So you can add as many contacts as possible, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and select only 2 members and click on chat with group. Once you've done that, this particular users has been added to your group chat, and if you want to give a name, you can just type in the group name, whatever you want, and click on the tick button. As you can see, this particular users has been added in the group. Now you can just chat with the contact at the same time with different person. So in this way you can create a group chat on Snapchat. That is all for this video. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.